Hi class, happy Monday. Welcome to Table 2, Miss Harmon's table. Today we're going to be talking about spending time and money. The essential question for our reading this week is, what do our economic choices tell us about ourselves? So the first thing we're going to do, my friends, is look at this picture. I want you to look at the picture right here with the man and the woman, and they're in a farmer's market. I want you guys to think about some things that you see in this farmer's market in the United States. Okay? So remember how we do it in class. You say, I see, and something that Miss Harmon sees would be a lot of people. I see people walking. I see city buildings. I see some vegetables over here. I see some tents maybe covering the rain in case it's raining. And I see this man and woman looking over here at the fresh produce. Okay, now let's look over here. This is a grocery store. A grocery store looks much different than a farmer's market, right? Some things that we see in the grocery store are produce, like vegetables and fruit. And we see lots of people in a grocery store as well. And it looks very different than a farmer's market. Remember, this is a farmer's market and this is a grocery store. And they are very different. One is inside and one is outside. Have any of you ever been to a farmer's market? Miss Harmon loves going to farmer's markets. I always think the fruits and vegetables taste much better. Now, the last picture we're going to be looking at, my friends, is this one down here. And this is a farmer's market in Peru, which is a different country in the world. There are things that look different than the first one in the United States, but there are many things that look the same. If you look, there are fresh vegetables and fruit. There are people walking and people selling. So one thing to keep in mind, my friends, is a farmer's market is a place where farmers bring their fruits and vegetables to sell to people. It is usually a lot fresher than when you go to a grocery store. Now think about it. Have any of you ever been to a farmer's market? I want you to look at mom and dad and talk about the types of things that you like to buy in a farmer's market. I love to buy fruit like strawberries and blueberries, and also things like avocados, because I always feel like they taste better at a farmer's market. Okay, guys, that's it for this video, okay? Go ahead and take a minute and talk with your parents about the different colors, the different things that you see in all three of these pictures. All right, guys.